Imagine cruising through traffic, not worrying about gas stations, and still having enough power to blast past every green light. That's what the 2026 Tesla Model Y XL promises. And today, we're diving deep into why this EV is not just another electric car. It could be your smartest move whether you're in New York, Tokyo, or Jakarta. Starting with the price, in the USA, the Model Y XL starts at around $68,000. If you're in Japan, you're looking at roughly 9.8 million yen, and in ASEAN countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, or Thailand, prices hover around $75,000 due to import duties. It's not cheap, but for what you get, the value is hard to beat. Let's talk fuel and savings. Being fully electric, the Model Y XL can save you thousands each year compared to gas-powered SUVs. In the US, with electricity costs averaging about 15 cents per kilowatt-hour, a full charge gives you about 330 miles of range. In city traffic, the efficiency improves even more because regenerative braking recycles energy whenever you slow down. For Asian cities with stop-and-go traffic like Jakarta or Manila, that means fewer charges and more convenience. Maintenance costs are surprisingly low too. No oil changes, fewer moving parts, and Tesla's over-the-air updates keep your software optimized. Insurance may run a little higher because of repair costs, but overall ownership cost is still very competitive. Performance is where the Model Y XL really shines. In the city, the instant torque means you can merge onto highways or take tight corners with confidence. On the highway, it's smooth and quiet with a range that easily covers long trips. Unlike some SUVs that feel heavy or sluggish, the XL's low center of gravity keeps it planted. Compared to competitors like the Toyota Hilux, which is more rugged but gas-hungry, the Model Y XL is more refined, more responsive, and dramatically cheaper to operate over time. Parts and service availability are increasingly accessible. Tesla's service centers are expanding rapidly in the USA and major Asian cities, and with mobile service vans, minor issues can be fixed at home. Resale value is another strong point. Tesla vehicles consistently hold value because of brand strength, software updates, and growing demand for EVs. In some Asian markets, resale can even be higher than traditional SUVs because buyers are willing to pay a premium for electric tech. Let's break down why this car is smart for Asian roads and traffic. Narrow streets, frequent traffic jams, and unpredictable driving conditions demand a car that is compact but spacious, responsive yet efficient. The Model Y XL delivers with its precise handling, adjustable regenerative braking, and surprisingly roomy interior. 7 seats come standard, which is a huge plus for families, and the large cargo space means you can carry everything from groceries to luggage without feeling cramped. Comparing briefly with Tesla's own lineup, the XL is a step up from the regular Model Y in space and features, while still maintaining the same high-tech safety systems like autopilot and full self-driving capabilities. Against the Toyota Hilux, it's not about towing power or off-road dominance. It's about smart daily driving, long-term savings, and comfort. For urban buyers in Asia who need 7 seats, low maintenance, and high-tech perks, the XL makes perfect sense. Now let's talk numbers quickly. Charging at home with a level 2 charger, you're looking at about $15 to $20 to go from 0 to full, which is dramatically cheaper than filling up a gasoline SUV. Public fast chargers can fill you up in under an hour, perfect for road trips. And remember, regenerative braking in traffic-heavy cities means you're essentially getting free energy every time you slow down. Inside, the cabin is minimal but high-tech, just like other Teslas. The large touchscreen controls almost everything, from navigation to climate control. 7-seater configuration makes family trips comfortable, and the panoramic glass roof adds a sense of openness that most SUVs can't match. For Asian buyers who value comfort in traffic jams or on highways, this is a major advantage. Safety is another strong suit. The Model Y XL has top-tier crash ratings, active safety features, and autopilot capabilities that can ease the stress of long commutes or chaotic city driving. In countries where traffic can be unpredictable, These features can make a real difference day to day. So, who is the Tesla Model Y XL really for? If you're a family or urban professional in the USA or Asia looking for a spacious, tech-forward SUV that saves money on fuel, reduces maintenance headaches, and delivers smooth, fun driving, this is a smart investment. Sure, the upfront cost is higher than a traditional SUV like the Hilux, but when you factor in savings on fuel, maintenance, and future resale value, it starts to make serious financial sense. In short, the 2026 Tesla Model Y XL combines space, performance, technology, and savings in a package that's perfect for both American highways and Asian city streets. It's not just about owning an EV, it's about owning a car that makes life easier, more efficient, and more fun. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Tesla Model Y XL and want to see more car reviews that help you make smarter buying decisions, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on notifications. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.